So here we are at a truck show with a whole bunch of trucks that are meant to show, and we drove this from Ohio and it sits outside my driveway all winter. And the last thing I want to do is fit in a show truck field, like a bunch of show trucks that get shined up, because it's a driver, a play truck, a truck I like to beat on. And to make sure people do that, I entered a Burnout contest and just obliterated a set of 35-inch IROCs, enough that we shut the Burnout contest down. They're no longer allowed here, and it was a good one. The audience loved it. The airbags when I was done. That surprises everybody. They love that. And now I got a lot of cleaning to do. But I've done it before and I'll do it again.